Yo, but first, that's sasenkingeni in South Africa. And nowadays, you don't even know which political party to vote for. You don't know. They all turn a blind eye on this issue of illegal immigrants. Sisenkingeni, we're becoming foreigners to our own country. We're becoming foreigners. And the foreigners, they're becoming citizens. La, in South Africa. And you don't know which political party can resolve this issue because they all turn a blind eye. You know why? They're all funded by one family. They're all captured. No one wants to confront the issue. And what is said is that foreigners, they don't do a political party in South Africa. It's only South Africans do a political party in South Africa. We are voters. But no one wants to attend the issue of illegal immigrants. La phaya Eastern Cape, abantu badilizelwe izindlu kwathiwa bakhandela wena wrong. Our government. But sinamability adunwe ngama Nigeria. Abayo kuyowakhipha lawo ma Nigeria, bayawayeka. Bayakwazi ukukhipha umuntu omnyama kodwa bakwazi ukukhipha iforeigner. Siyashintsha manje sekuyithina ama foreigner ezweni lethu. Ithina sicela kuba foreigner umsebenzi. And thina futhi esivotayo. And the family that is funding all the political parties, they're happy to see us divided. We are divided. But what is the hope for South Africa now? Department of Education, logistic companies, all these companies, they're hiring foreigners. Thina sicela umsebenzi kuma foreigner ezweni lethu. And siyaya kohulumeni basekhaya uzobona cisho leli khanda elikhulu elu-Ramaphosa lingena umuzi nomuzi kube ngathi liyakwazi uyoligcina ngalelo langa. What is the hope for a black person, a South African? Sifuna ukuresolve zonke inkinga zamanye ama-countries. Nathi sinezethu inkinga la in South Africa. You say you're going to vote for EFF, you're inviting more foreigners. Because Malema said, if you do not want those people, you can take your vote away. So what matters with him are my foreigners. Yo, sisenkingeni bafethu. And if we're going to stay divided like this, we proceed to be divided like this. Others, they are fighting the others. Bamile lapha ngathi ayibathinti lento. And sinama clever blacks amaningi kakhulu. Our country is going. Ama-port ayadayiswa. Adayiselwa ama-companies, ama-foreign. I wish to know ukuthi in the next 10 years, what would be remaining for South Africans?
Yeah, guys, it's so sad ukubona i-country yakhe destroya ngale ndlela lena. And I think it's a wake up call. It's so sad ukubona umuntu omnyama glorify nonsense. You are glorifying nonsense as black South Africans. This is totally nonsense. The ANC was in charge of Joburg municipality all along. I'm not going to blame the GNU. The ANC was in charge all along. They allowed all these illegal migrations. Baba Pizza Jews. They hijack all these buildings. Look at it now. DJ Waras bamdubulile laphayana just because he's actually fighting for lento leyo ukuthi manje kunamabhilidi ana. Akekho umuntu ombonile lo muntu lo udubula DJ Waras kumanje even amaphoyisa, but amaphoyisa corner to corner Jews. If you go to Joburg, everywhere phoyisa, like the police are walking in there. Phoyisa ngapha. But they failed ukuthi manje babone lo muntu lo odubula DJ Waras ukuthi uphelela. How is that possible? Wonke umuntu ozophakamela ilungelo lomuntu walamzansi noma ukuphakamela ilungelo lakhe uzohleze ebulawa. Hambe lapha eTafontein, Regents Park, South Hills. There are communities lapha yana. Communities of Congolese, communities of Nigerians, communities of Zimbabweans. And a good rough zobanjwa laphayana if you are walking nje laphayana ebusuku. But we still glorifying the nonsense lena yenziwa i-ANC party. As I've said, good man, I'm not going to blame the GNU party because it's just recently. I'm going to blame the ANC because was in charge all along of this Joburg municipality. They allowed these illegal migrations. And they protect them. They make sure with Baba protect. But boogie nonsense ayenzakala lapha. These people feel entitled of Joburg, like they owning Joburg. Amaphoyisa bayawashaya laphayana. Bangenzi nix, babashaya baphethe izibha. Bashaya yiwo lawo ama foreigners. Bafune ukuthi bazwele yithi thina as South Africans. This is totally nonsense. And are you still going to vote for the same party? The party lena eyisa umuntu omnyama down the drain. Umuntu omnyama wala mzansi each and every time mangabaphakama uzobulawa. They attack them, assassinate them, just because they're fighting for the rights of South Africans, poor South Africans. Abantu bayakhohlwa ukuthi manje they are poor South Africans. Poor South Africans. You're not just a South African. You are the poor South African. And you need to you need to wake up. This is totally nonsense what is happening in Joburg. Each and every migrations to different countries in Africa, they know which bona bazokwenzani la. Some of them, they are being used. Ingalo yomthetho, it's on their payroll. That is why each and every time if you try to fight these illegal migrations or these migrations, Baba protect. Baphinde babashaye futhi lapha Jews because abanayo respect yabo. This is nonsense. Yaqabanga ukuthi abantu balamzansi ke basazophaphama nje. This is bad. And if singakaphakamanga kumanje kuzoba worse. Because you're on the ANC manje, we are going for our elections, the local governments. We are going to vote for them. They are going to campaign for that 5 years. Which manje bayithola. And we are going to give them that 5 years. The very same day babonile ukuthi manje bayithathile in 5 years it's on their side. They are not going to fix roads. They are totally not going to fix anything. Yonke imali it's going to be on their pockets. Baqabangele bendeni yabo ukuthi ingane zabo zifunda phesheya. Yinto oyipreacher every day. Angazi ukuthi manje abantu balamzansi angazi bane yini amnesia or what. Like you are going to preach and preach, but they are not going to listen to you because you are just a poor South African. Bafuna ukulalela umuntu engathi unuka iperfume edurayo ogqoka isudu ohamba ngemoto enkulu. That person is not going to help you. That person is not going to give you anything. Ufuna ukusustain lempilo le ayiphilayo lo ibukayo wena ukuthi manje uyamba ukuthi uclean kanjani, uhlala endaweni enjani. Ufuna ukusustain leyo mpilo leyo. Ngeke aza kusize ngalutho. Angazi ukuthi manje kumele nize nizwe kanjani. South Africa it's going down the drain. And after Ngenga mention indaba ya Cyril Ramaphosa. Cyril Ramaphosa now is going to step down. And we can see in South Africa. We are being sold. We are being sold as South Africans. And all these laws are going to work after I step it down. All these laws are going to work. Mara nifuna ukulalela. Hayi buhlungu bafethu lento enenzayo. Asike silalela neni bafethu siphakame silwela izwe lethu. Yabona nje manje into eseyenzakalayo wonke umuntu ulwela iprovince yakhe. Yabona ukuthi manje Cape Town balwela iCape Town abelungu balwela iCape Town. but leyo Cape Town leyo ila Mzansi kuningi abangakwenzi nabo laphayana bokhayelisha laphana baxova udaka abantu emikhukhwini, but they keep on blaming ama-parties abantu abamnyama ukuthi manje like ama-municipalities abantu abamnyama you are better. But if you go back to Cape Town, uya laphana kuma-townships wakhona bo-Phillips, uya kubo-Khayelitsha, Gugulethu, kuxova udaka laphayana kubanjwa inkunzi emnini. But they keep on praising which manje, they keep on praising i-DA which manje the DA is doing very well. No, that's bullshit. That's bull. So nje singama South Africans guys asibambaneni ngezandla sibona lento lena. Mina nginandaba ukuthi uphakelwa eNigeria noma uphakelwa eCongolese noma bakuthengela impuphu nani nani. Into ngizoyikhuluma straight. These people feel entitled of our country. Like Tina, as South Africans, we don't ever say it. As poor South African, you are poor South African. Like we are trying to, you are poor South African. You're not just a South African. You are the poor South African. Poor. On poverty. Yeah.
Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. As a man speaking about indaba yama illegal foreigners in South Africa, saying ukuthi as South Africans sijike saba foreigners in our own country and ma foreigners ajika aba citizen ala South Africa. A government yethu is protecting ma foreigners like nje, it's just a mess. Bantu babulawa, ama-building ayatshontshwa, bafuma foreigners ahlale ngalokhu ngekho emthethweni. Qoshe abantu base-South Africa bathengisa idakamizwa. I-SA is just a mess because of foreigners. But it's so sad because our government is really protecting foreigners, it's really protecting bantu boqhamuka, saying ukuthi thina sihlupheka siphile kabuhlungu in our own country. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.